The time of the perfect prompt is ending. As these systems become more capable, the future belongs to those who understand AI system supervision. If you've spent the last year memorizing prompt templates, you've likely noticed they don't last very long. Models update, interfaces change, and the technical tricks you used yesterday break today. Tool-specific skills age too quickly to be reliable. This chart plots the value of what researchers call durable human skills. Notice where problem-solving and critical thinking land. They are difficult to measure, but their demand in the workforce is high and growing. Operational judgment and process design become more valuable as automation increases. Over the next few minutes, we are going to build a custom human-in-the-loop workflow map for your own team. To get started, you need two things. First, pull up your team's current daily task list. Second, open a blank digital flowchart app, or simply grab a blank sheet of paper. The goal is to stop thinking like an individual tool user and start operating like an enterprise systems supervisor. Redesigning how the work gets done is the most reliable way to maintain your career relevance. Step 1 is auditing the work. Look at your team's task list and pinpoint the repetitive bottlenecks, the high-friction steps that consistently slow the group down. Now, drag those friction points onto your blank page to create the starting needs of your workflow map. Don't try to automate an entire job role. Instead, isolate the specific steps that require heavy lifting, like data crunching or drafting. We are moving away from focusing on how fast one person can type into a chatbot. We are mapping how your whole group interacts with information. For example, look at a node like John writes the report. We delete that solo creation task. It gets replaced with an AI node that generates the first draft, which then feeds directly into a team review step. Productivity increases when you redesign the structure of the whole workflow. Accelerating a single task can't match that impact. Step 2 is building in output validation gates. An automated action should never execute without a safety net. Verification doesn't mean manually rewriting the output. It means having a distinct step dedicated exclusively to checking for factual accuracy, bias, and business alignment. Without this, you fall into the not my job trap. If an AI system generates a flawed insight and nobody is explicitly assigned to catch it, that error flows straight into your final product. To fix this, go to the absolute final step of your workflow map and assign a specific human name or job title to it. Accountability cannot be transferred to a machine. Humans must own the final business outcome. The data shows that the defining trait of an AI power user is constant experimentation. They do not let their processes remain static. For step 3, draw a feedback loop directly into your map, routing from the final ownership node back to the beginning. Dedicate a recurring 15-minute block on your calendar specifically for stress testing and tweaking this system. Your workflow map is a living document. Testing it every week ensures your process adapts as the technology improves. Resilient teams move forward, while static processes become obsolete. Now, look at your completed screen. You started with a messy list of daily tasks, and you've turned it into a structured, supervised system. You are no longer wondering what prompt to use. Instead, you have mapped exactly where AI accelerates the work, where humans verify the output, and who ultimately owns the result. Take a screenshot of this workflow right now. Share it with your team today to establish clear ground rules for collaboration. Mastering system design is a durable skill. Building and supervising these workflows is how you elevate your leadership and secure your value in an automated economy.